Okay everyone, this is to follow up on the Samsung washer that I did a video of earlier with the grinding agitation sound. I think I've come up with a solution to fix it. So now when I turn this, no more grinding. So if I take it off, so you can see, you saw the video yesterday, this spline right here, these teeth right here, were actually sitting a lot lower, sticking out a lot more. And so then they were rubbing on the teeth of this part. So I took this arm out of the machine. Underneath here there is a return spring that's sort of a pain to get back in, but I came up with a little trick to get that back in. So I already have the E-ring removed from the pin. So I'm going to take it out so you can see. If I push the pin out, pull it out, the whole thing will sort of fall apart. The spring will fall out, the arm will fall off, and then you have to put it all back together. It's sort of a pain, but see? Like that. Okay. So here's the arm, and I think what's going on here is these surfaces on the fork that contact this spline washer with the teeth in it and push it from motion over time, they have some wear. So that wear lets this ring sit a little lower. Underneath here you can see the point at which the other lever presses on this lever. There's a little tiny divot there, but it's not much, but there is a divot there. And then the end of this arm, which is attached to the cable, it has this little plastic pin that created the divot in here. Okay, so what I did is I took a black plastic washer and I chamfered the edge of it with a file a little bit and glued it on here to create some extra thickness. And that seems to be what I need to push this up further, like that. Not all the way, but disengaged, so it can agitate without making that chattering noise. So I'm going to put everything back together and see if that doesn't solve the problem. If I made the washer too thick, it may be that when the cable pulls, there's too much thickness in there for this to fully drop down and engage and spin. It depends on where the sensor inside this motor tells it to stop pulling the cable. So I may actually have to file that washer down just a little more to take away a little bit of the thickness, but we'll see. So that's where we are.